Okay folks, so this is the ASUS Vivobook that we recently purchased. This is one of the later models which came out towards the end of 2023, and this is available in a number of different specs depending on, your use case and how much you wish to spend. This is more of a mid-range version. It has the Core i5 processor with 16 gigabytes of DDR4 memory and also 512 gigabytes of NVMe SSD storage. So this does not have a discrete GPU, and even though I want to do some light video editing, that's not really the main purpose of purchasing this laptop, and the upgraded integrated GPU that is brought with the Core i5 should be more than sufficient for our needs. So I'm expecting this to be quite a nippy laptop. Let's go ahead and see what comes in the box. Over here we have the power cord. Again, here's the laptop itself. It has the nice badge here with the ASUS Vivobook logo on it. So this is the 15.6-inch size laptop. This is also available as a 14-inch version or a 16-inch version. A couple of the usual bits of documentation, but all you get in the box is the laptop and the power cord. Right, so let's take a closer look at the laptop itself. If I first of all show you the ports on the side, on this side here we have the single USB 2.0 port. So this is going to be used for your traditional peripherals such as mouse, keyboard. Okay, there are a couple of LED lights as well. And if we turn the laptop to the other side, you can see we have the 3.5mm audio jack, which is a universal port, so this can be used for speakers, headphones, microphones, etc. Then we have the USB Type-C port, the only one on this laptop. This has a transfer rate of 5 gigabits per second, so it's going to be useful for connecting solid-state drives, external drives, etc. And then we have two more Type-A USB ports, and these are also 5 gigabits per second. Over here we have the HDMI port. This is version 1.4, which isn't going to be great if you wish to output a 4K signal. However, if you have a full HD monitor or display, then this is going to be more than up to the challenge. And then we have the power connector right here. As far as I know, the USB-C port cannot be used to power this laptop, as if we just look at the logo there, we can see it doesn't have the little lightning symbol. And if we just open the laptop itself, I've got to say the whole design here is super smart. I am a big fan of the form factor here. This is looking absolutely wonderful. It is available in different colours as well. This is the grey version. I believe there is a blue version and a darker grey version as well. And as you can see, the laptop does have the number pad on the right hand side. It has the integrated Iris Xe graphics, which, as I say, is an upgraded version of the graphics that are supplied with the i3 processor. And the screen can actually flip back, I don't know if you can see that, all the way 180 degrees if you need it to do that. And then finally, we have the webcam up here, which is a 720p webcam. It also includes the little privacy shutter, which is a nice touch as well. So there we have it then, folks, the ASUS Vivobook. I'll bring a more in-depth review later on down the line once we've had a good go with it. So thanks for watching the unboxing. If you have any questions, please don't hesitate to ask those in the comments. I'll do my best to answer them if I see them. Have a great day. I'll see you next time.